This is our ring insulator tool. It could match types of ring insulator. It is used with a 110 voltage power drill to install or remove ring insulator in or from wood post. It is high durable corrosion resistance galvanized steel. Simple structure, easy to use, enable long using life. It is easy to carry, lightweight and portable. It could be carried with you without taking too much space. You no longer to screw insulator by your hand. Smooth surface will not hurt your fingers. It could match types of ring insulator. For example, this type.